Choosing a domain name. When it's time to finally choose a domain name, the world is your oyster, and the possibilities are endless. Unless, of course, you choose a domain name that someone else has already chosen and currently owns. In that case, it's back to the drawing board time. Chances are that you already have an idea for a domain name you like. And if you are one of the lucky ones, your perfect domain name will be available. However, luck only goes so far. For the rest of us, we need to go do some domain detective work and find that elusive domain name we desire. Manually entering in one domain name after another in the domain search box of your chosen domain registrar, the company you will be purchasing your domain from, in the hopes of finding one that is available, can be a long and tedious process. However, there is hope. There are many free online resources that are available to help you find your perfect domain name, or at least something in the neighborhood. While there are tons of options when using free domain search tools online, here are 4 of the best at helping you find your next domain name. They are, in no particular order, namemesh.com, impossibility.org, leandomainsearch.com, instantdomainsearch.com. Using just one of these tools, or even all 4 in combination, you are sure to find great help in finding your next domain name.